Hi, welcome to this tutorial. So this is the dataset that you gave me, the clean dataset. So I removed the non-selected columns and just kept only the 6550 responses. So first of all, this SPSS data should be saved as comma delimited. Here you can see comma delimited CSV format. So just I rename it as PLS data and save. And yes, I saved it. So you can see this is the PLS data. So you need to go to SmartPLS software first. Then when you go to the SmartPLS, here you can see an option that create a new project. So I click in the create a new project and say this is the PLS analysis and click OK. After clicking, so you'll be able to see here double click to import the data. So just double click here and at the data you have saved, click this and press OK. Click OK. So you can see that 6550 all the data have been loaded. So you can check whether any missing or the mean, median, each of the items are described here. So you can take the descriptive statistics. So just double click on the PLS analysis. So here you can now see your all the items and all the levels of your variable here. So I will input one by one. I am just pressing this and I am pressing the shift and clicking here so that all are selected. I am just dragging over here. So this is the first variable, 128. Then I am doing the same thing for 23 question number. So pressing it here, then for 24, pressing here, then 25, see it here. Then finally, the dependent variable is here. I'm just clicking it and pressing this so that the items move there. So I am just organizing them a bit. Okay, just clicking all of them and organizing. So you can see all of your construct and your dependent construct over here. So this is the model ready. So I will rename them. In order to rename, you have to rename here, and you can question number 21. I think it is renamed as, you can see, SE123 self-efficacy, probably. Yes. Here. USD advocacy, yes, first one is the self-efficacy probably. I'm just being ensured here. SEQ1 to Q8 this is self-efficacy. So yes, self-efficacy. I'm just copying this and self-efficacy pasting it. So I will do the rest for all of them. So yes, I renamed all of them. Now I will enter your demographic variable one by one here. So question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, and 6. So I just organize them a bit. Yes. Okay. So I think they are now organized. Yes, I will rename them as I know that question number 1 is probably gender. I will rename them and show you again. So I renamed them gender, age, race, education. So we will connect them by using this, connecting all of the construct with each other. Connecting this one and this one. So model is ready. So here you need to go to calculate, go to PLS algorithm, so that in order to estimate the factor loading of watching what is about the factor loading and the measurement model actually. Go to the PLS algorithm, start calculation. So here is the result, but I'm going to the model to see actually the factor loadings. Yes, all the factor loadings are above 0.70. Here all of them are 70, but you can see the factor loading 0.15 is very low in this item. 0.20, we need to probably remove these two items. This one is below 0.70, but it still is good. Okay, so here you can see this one. I just move it here. Okay, all of them in this persistiveness, all of them are above. Is that good? But I think we need to remove at first the lowest one, just pressing delete, then again running the measurement model. But this invalid. I don't know why. Okay, probably this one. This one I need to do the pressing algorithm again. So you can see again, all of the factor loading are okay. Okay, but still this one is still low. Then we need to again remove this and run the PLS algorithm again. So now you can see that yes. So in big 5 you need to keep only these two items. Others remove due to the low factor loading. So here you can see you already saw the factor loading. Now you will see other constructor reliability and validity. Say for example, the PIP5, it has got the Cronbach alpha composite reliability average variance extracted. We will export to Excel. Start exporting. So here I just exporting this measurement model and saving it. So here you can see other variable. So the health consciousness, all the constructor valid and reliable according to this analysis. So it is just saving. So here is the Excel report. I will share it with you, and here you can click on the auto loading, and you will get those auto loading on the auto loading the unit. Again, you can click the R square construct reliability and validity, discriminant validity. So here we also, that means all the outputs are already exported as in Excel file. So you can see the discriminant validity. We will remove them, these sort of variables, because age, education, gender, we don't need this here. We will remove them this, and I will give you all the tables in good format in a Word file. So now our measurement model is okay till now. So but we need to run our structural model in this case. So I'm just zooming it, and from file I'm just taking the picture of our model, export as clipboard, and I'm putting it here, our measurement model picture. So the diagram that we run. Okay. Now again, we need to estimate the significance of this path. Need to go to the bootstrapping. From the bootstrapping, here you can give your maximum bootstrap. So as usual, the 5,000 is actually okay. So 5,000 bootstrapping total. Then I am running it. Start calculation. So it will take a bit of time. So the structural model, and you can see the p-value of all the paths. So you can see age is significant towards persuasiveness. Big 5 is significant. Age is significant but negative. Big 5 is positive and significant. Education is negative, significant. Gender is not significant. Health consciousness is positive and significant. Health motivation is positive and significant. Race is not significant. Self-efficacy is positive and significant. So again, I will export it This is structural model, and this is the actually the structural model results, the hypothesis. That means all of your hypotheses are supported, and they are actually the, I think, the control variable that you have taken each education. You just have the hypothesis for the other 4 variables. So this is all about. I will share the project. I will share this project. We'll save the project for you. Export the project. Then you can directly import your project. When you get my project file, then directly import. You can import your project from a folder directly. Or yeah. Thank you so much.